three equal charges Q1, Q2, Q3. Three equal charges means Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q3 equal to Q, say. They are placed on three corners of square of side A. What is the length of each side of square? It is A. The force between Q1 and Q2 is F12 and the force between Q1 and Q3 it is F13. Then the ratio of F12 upon F13 is. So see here we are having a square of side A and let the charges Q1, Q2, Q3 they are placed at the three corners of that square. Now F12, that is the force acting between charge Q1 and that of Q2. Force between charge Q1 and Q2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by, here what is the distance of separation between two charges? Because they are lying at the two corners of square, so the distance between two charges is nothing but what? Length of one of the side of square, and that is A. So it is F12 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by A square according to Coulomb's law in electrostatics. But we know Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. So here this equation will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square, and say this is equation number 1. Now to find out the force between charge Q1 and that of Q3, we must know the distance of separation between charge Q1 and Q3. See here there is a formation of right angle. The two sides of right angle, they are A, and this is hypotenuse. So what is the length of hypotenuse? Length of hypotenuse is equal to under root of A square plus A square, that is root 2 A. So the distance of separation between Q1 and Q3 is root 2A. Therefore force between charge Q1 and that of Q3, force between charge Q1 and Q3 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q3 divided by, now what is the distance of separation between two charges? It is root 2A whole square. But we know Q1 equal to Q3 equal to Q. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Replace Q1 and Q3 both by Q. So it is Q square divided by, here root 2A whole square. Square of root 2 is 2 and that of A square. So F13 is equal to, take this 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 in bracket 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square. This is equation number 2. Now divide equation 1 by equation 2, because we want to find out what is F12 upon F13. F12 upon F13 is equal to, see what is F12? It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square upon, what is F13? It is 1 by 2 in bracket 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square divided by A square. So these two brackets they get cancelled, and 1 upon 2 means it is 2, Therefore the ratio of F12 to that of F13 is equal to 2. So option A is the correct option for this question.